Welcome to 60 Melville Drive. This gorgeous 3-bedroom 2.5-bath colonial-style home invites you in with a front-covered porch, keyless entry and tasteful landscaping. This home features hardwood floors throughout the main level with an open-concept floor plan, a formal sitting area, family room, dining and kitchen area. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, plenty of cabinets and a walk-in pantry. Upstairs you will find a spacious owner's suite with 2 large walk-in closets and owner's bath. The additional 2 bedrooms both feature walk-in closets and ceiling fans. Laundry is on the upper level for simple convenience. The large backyard is perfect for entertaining guests with a privacy fence, deck, stamped and dyed patio and fire pit. This home also offers all appliances conveying